Hey everybody. So I'm heading out to the garage real quick because I've got a small problem with my Kubota tractor. It's nothing major, but it's been an ongoing problem for me, and I thought I might put a video up. I'm curious to know if anybody else that owns a BX tractor has had the same problem. So here's my BX1880. This is the first tractor I've ever owned. I've had it for about 3 years now. And in the initial few weeks, I had, a learning curve. It was my first tractor. Sorry, it is so cold out right now. It's windy. Jumping off topic for a minute, but it's like 20 degrees out, and we've had like 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts for the last 2 days straight. So it's cold. That's why I'm got my hoodie on and stuff. But anyways, so I had a little bit of an operator error issue early on. When I was removing the loader from the tractor, I guess I missed one of the steps in the sequence, and somehow I bent the brush guard on the front of the tractor, and it's never been quite the same. I did try to bend it back. Even during the service, I asked them if they could bend it back for me. They did the best they could, but it's never been quite the same since that happened. And every now and then, when I'm using the loader, if you have it just at the right height and you tilt the bucket just at the right angle, it kind of catches and yanks on that grill guard. And it finally caught me this week while I was out doing some snow clearing in the driveway. So let me turn the camera around and show you what's happening. Okay, so I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but if you look down here, you see this little clip right here? You'll see when I close this, it doesn't, let me go around the other side, you might get a better angle. You'll see the clip doesn't quite line up anymore. And so, I don't know if you can see it actually. Boy, that's a tough angle to shoot from. Let's try it from the top. Anyways, you'll have to take my word for it, but the clips don't line up with the little pin. Oh, you can see it from that angle. So here's the clip, and there's the little pin that's supposed to go into the clip, and it doesn't quite. The one on the other side is lined up a little bit better, but still, it doesn't go in all the way. So like I said, so every now and then when you lift the loader and you tilt the bucket just the right angle, these little arms, the loader stand that it sits on when the loader is off, it catches this, and it caused me a problem this week. So let me show you, but where is it? So if you see down here, you see this little pin? There's a little C-clip right here that kind of holds this from sliding off. The other one's missing, and I was out plowing snow this weekend, and this thing came off the pin, and it was just kind of dangling around, and it was driving me nuts. So I had to go over to the dealer this morning and get a new C-clip. It was only 80 cents, but the funny thing is I think that I found that clip over the summer when I was out washing my motorcycle. Because I found something similar to it, and I didn't know what it belonged to, so I discarded it, and now I know. So anyways, I got a new clip. I grabbed a couple extras just in case, and I'm going to put that clip on. Here they are. I grabbed a few extras. I'm going to put that clip on, and hopefully that fixes it. But I think at some point this spring, I may just remove this brush guard, because I know it's meant to protect your grill and stuff, but it's causing me more trouble than it's worth right now because, like I said, it's bent. Unless I can try to bend it some more. Maybe I can heat it up and bend it. But as of right now, this guard is causing me more trouble than it's worth. So I may just remove it. I know that there's a couple of aftermarket ones out there that look better, to be quite honest with you. So maybe that's the ticket. Maybe I should just go spend $200 and get an aftermarket one and replace it. But for now, I'm going to replace that little clip over there. So let me set the camera up in a good position and see if I can get this to go. All right, so I think I got the camera set up in a good position. This is gonna be really hard to do because my fingers are already frozen. I don't know if I'm gonna need this or not, these pliers, but let's see how difficult this is gonna be with my frozen fingers. Oy. My fingers are so cold I can't even hold on to it. Let's see. Do I have to, maybe I have to pry it apart a little, make it work. No, I don't know. This is hard to put on. And I lost it. Where'd it go? I guess that's why I bought more than one. Here it is. Bounced about 12 feet away. Let's try that again. All right. My fingers are just so cold right now that I can't get a good... And I dropped it again. All right. I may have to do this on a warmer day. Try to separate it a little. All right, there we go. See if I can separate it and then put it on and then squeeze it back together. Ugh, I can't hold it. It's too cold. I may have to go in and warm my fingers up before I... All right. This is not easy to do when it's cold out. Yeah, this is just, my fingers are frozen. I can't even feel them. Geesh, I can't even pick it up now. I'm so cold. I'm gonna give it one more try, and then I'm gonna shut the video off. Go in the house, warm my fingers. Let's see if I can... It's like close, but no cigar. Can't even feel my fingers. Ay, ay, ay. I'm gonna end up killing myself here, or hurting myself, I should say. All right, let me kill the camera for a minute. Go in and warm my fingers, and I'll come right back to you. All right, let's give that a go. I only warm my fingers for a couple of minutes. They're still not really warm here, but maybe warm enough, hopefully. Alright, I think I got it on. Now let's squeeze that a little tighter. I think I'm good. Alright. Looks about right. Alright, let's get the camera in a little closer and show you what's happening. So there you go. You can see I got that little clip on. Should be good. And it's on the other side too, see? Right there. All right, job done for now.